Welcome everyone to the course Communications for Radiology. I think it's going to be a great course. This is just a brief introduction. Be sure to look over the syllabus and the course content. That's really, really important. This is an online course, so you'll have lectures. It's posted to the module every week. I also do a check-in every week, and this is kind of what that is, but it's an initial welcome video more than anything else. I'm happy to teach this course. If you want to know a little bit about me, you can click on the instructor page and look at my qualifications and, of course, some of the background that I have in healthcare leadership. I'm also in school, so I'm working on a doctorate as well on top of my normal work routine. So I feel the pain. I'm going to do everything I can in this course not to overwhelm you and help you through the process, so it should be fun and engaging. If you look in the course content section, you'll see week one's material. You'll see an introduction there you can watch. And then also information here in regards to what's due. You have a discussion post that's due. First initial reply should be by Sunday at midnight. So you need to read the chapter and the lectures and talk about a little bit about what you learned, and then reply to another student by Sunday at midnight. That is just for the first week, since this is a shorter week. Next week, you'll have to post your initial reply by Wednesday. You also have a communication cycle homework piece that you need to watch. So watch the video and then draw. That's due Sunday at midnight as well. Really simple, really easy. Another thing to take note of, it's really important, there is a communication course for dental hygiene, for physical therapy, and for radiology. Oftentimes I use videos from each segment, each cohort. So sometimes you'll hear the term dental hygiene, sometimes you'll hear PT, so don't confuse that with what we're going over here. A lot of the information can be used across programs, so while you're unique to your program, don't take it in a negative light if you hear those words or those other programs involved in the videos, because sometimes there's great information that I could share across programs that's important. I'm here to help anytime if you need anything. My email is available, pwilliams@pmi.edu. Happy to talk whenever you need. Like I said, this is a online course that will feature lectures that are posted weekly, but I am also more than open to meeting with you on a weekly or every few days, whatever needs come your way. So I'm happy to meet at any time. Further, you have discussion boards that are going to help engage you with other students, as we discussed. So I'll be interested to post on there myself, and we'll be able to talk back and forth about what you learned here in this course. Welcome. First week is pretty simple. Don't stress about it. Take a look at the course content. Take a look at the syllabus and the schedule. You'll see some interesting things in there that we'll have in the future, and I look forward to working with you all. Reach out if you need anything.